There's a fire that I won't slay. There's a fire but no fire brigade. Our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, our souls tonight is no one on our side.
MCPE Gamer here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make like a vending machine on Minecraft, and it's so easy and fun to use. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this video, so let's get started. Oh, wait. Let me get the item that you need. You need is dispenser, some button, some what's a bug? Some redstone, a button, an item frame. Later you need the item frame, but now it's not important to get. And any block of your choice. I'm using block of quartz. Oh yeah, also a water bucket. And later we're going to, let's put out the item frame. First, do it's 3 or 2. It's 3 block tall of your any block that you want. If you want, put some water in here. Like for example, oh, what is that? You click this, and on the water here, there's like here. For example, this, yes. There's a water in there, and when you click this, oh. When you click, that's the button. When you click this, you're going to get in water here. And you just needed to get that on the water. If you want, do that. But if you don't want, just follow me. I showed that on my top 5 redstone experiment on my first video. So yeah, you just needed a button in here, button in here, button in here, and button in here. And then I think I needed some more. And you're going to put the item frame in here and some item that was in there. You just needed, this is so simple guys, so simple. Just put a dispenser in here, but not like that. We're going to hide it. Let's just put it here. No, there we go. Cover that thing. Put a redstone on the top of the button. Make sure you crouch or sneak and just click it. For example, I'm going to put a button in there, or just bucket, and click this. See, I have it. So let's just make it all. Let's put redstone in here. And then dispenser here. No, not like that. You need to break this? Really? There we go. And the other in here. Is that correct? Yeah. After that, in here, just do it all until you got until the end. Yeah, I got until the end. Now, after already do that, let's connect the redstone on the dispenser. I'm going to show also, guys. After I make this, I'm going to show you how to make this now with water. With water, it's like so hard because you need to extract the water when the object is already in here. It's not going on the side and here like that. But this much easier. This I'm going to tell you guys to make. It's for example, you have redstone in here. Going to click it. You need the dispenser is facing in here. At here, look at me. Yeah. And you need to go in the water and not go in the side or anything. So that's a little bit hard. So I'm just doing this. On my top redstone experiment, I have that. So let's just break this. If you want, cover that thing. But it's a little bit hard to cover because the redstone on the top. I'm not going to put a redstone in here. I want to put something good. I want to put on one, on the other. Diamond. This four. Hey, big. Diamond here, iron, gold, and emerald. And the last one is let's try golden apple. Get out of here. After that, just go in here and click it. Oh, I just put it. Let me get the emerald and the golden apple. Enchant. This one is diamond. Let's put it. And this other is, what is here? Iron. Sorry guys, it's a little bit long. Because when I click it like this, it's not working. There it goes. Here is, I think gold. Yeah, gold. Sorry for that noise, that's my little brother. I'm so sorry guys. It's a little bit noisy because it's killing the zombie on her game. So yeah, sorry guys. And this way. And this one is emerald. Villager like emerald, yay! Villager party, yay! Villager party. I'm a little bit like crazy. Yeah, sorry guys. Let me fill this up a bit. There we go. Let me put this golden apple. Apple, yeah, apple. Oh, it's working now. Let me get this all. Yeah, it's working now. Let me throw this thing. Hey, why I can? I'm so sorry, guys, on that noise. Let me throw this thing. It's all the time. Oh, I forgot that. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a trap. Trap, yeah. There we go. I have already here. Let's go to survival. So we have something in here. Let me put it in survival. And then it's building already terrain. Why is block quartz 64? Just kidding. No. Oh, I can break this, huh? Without pickaxe. But I can get it, huh? Oh, I think I want a diamond. Let's click this. Wow! Yay! I have diamond. What? I would put it in the second turn. Yay! Diamond! Yay! Let me get iron. Wow! Iron! Gold. This is gold, gold, gold. Emerald. I don't like emerald much because you don't have something to do with it. And golden apple. I can eat this. Give me more. More. I have 3 golden apples. And just eat it. Yay! I have, wait, what is regeneration, resistant, fire resistant, and absorption. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Make sure you like on my video. Hope you enjoyed this. Let's eat this apple candy. What? So delicious. Goodbye.